Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fight the Paintress in Expedition 33. The Paintress is the final boss fight you will face in Act 2. Now builds or whatsoever won't be a focus on this guide. I will only focus on the aspects of how to dodge the attacks of the Paintress to keep your team alive and healthy throughout the entire fight. How these breakdowns will work is essentially I will show you the full attack from the Paintress first and then show you how to dodge it, or at least explain it so you can visualize. Let's start with the first phase. The easiest attack to counter will be the gradient attack. Once you see the color turn gray, just about immediately she will drop down her attack. At this frame right here is when you should press the gradient counter. And when you do, you will do some pretty good damage against her. The second attack will be the deadly void meteors. This can target anyone in the team. The first strike will be extremely difficult to dodge. The telltale sign would be when it flashes. That is when it will strike. But it comes very quick, so it's gonna take some time getting used to. Once you do get the first one, it's going to be a rhythm game. The intervals in between the next few meteors will be the same all throughout. My method would just be bobbing up my head up and down to a beat to get the dodges just right. The third attack will be the chroma attack. This attack also comes out rather quick in between its intervals. Thankfully, there are both visual and audio cues that will help you with dodging this. You should focus on when the gathering of the chroma stops. At this frame right here. This will result in a perfect dodge. You can still dodge it when there are still a bit of chroma gathering at this frame right here. If you'll take a look at CL, she's already doing the dodge action. And here's the full sequence once again. The fourth attack, where the Paintress throws around chroma, is also one of the hardest because of how fast the first two strikes are thrown. There aren't any visual cues to speak of, but the audio cues are very helpful.
Take your shot.
Keep in mind that the first two strikes come out fast in between each other, with the third and fourth having longer intervals in between, which will mess up your timing most of the time when you first try to dodge everything. The last ones are the boulders. These ones, however, do not have very helpful visual or audio cues to help with dodging. The only notable visual cue is when the camera pans away and zooms back in. But the boulders will have already shot to your team. So I can only say good luck from here on out when you try to dodge these. Now let's move on to the second phase of the fight. The first strike will most likely be the white light attack from her brush. This one is fairly easy, but still dangerous. There are both visual and audio cues, but I recommend just listening for the audio cues. Because once you hear the high-pitched sound, that's when you press dodge. The second one will be when she rips reality apart. There will be meteors that are gonna rain down on you. On this attack, you're gonna have to dodge when the meteors are halfway through, or when they curve to hit you. Though there are some instances where the meteors are hidden behind the golem's head, so you're gonna have to remain cautious when this attack comes. The third attack will be when she flies into the air. This is fairly easier than most. There are both visual and audio cues of the attacks. Once you see her approach you is when she strikes. However, with the third one with a slight delay to catch you off guard. The fourth attack is when she strikes from afar. This one is fairly easy. The first is a jump attack. And just right after that will be two projectiles flying at you in quick succession. And then finally with a blast that has an obvious sound cue. Just make sure that you don't have a potato PC like mine so your frames won't drop when she does this attack. The fifth attack will be when she unleashes a whole combo on you. This is by far the most dangerous attack. Observe the full clip. On the first strike, this is when you have to dodge. For the next 4 attacks, they're gonna come out extremely fast, so start button mashing correctly to dodge them. For the 5th and 6th attack, there will be a small delay. And then finally, for the 7th attack, this will hit your entire team. It's imperative that you have to dodge this. Once again, this is how you dodge it. Hopefully this video has helped you with how to win against the Paintress. And that's how to fight the Paintress in Expedition 33.